Hello guys, John from Traxxas, and in this video we are doing part 3 of the XMaxx upgrade hop-up series. And we are unfortunately saying goodbye to T-bone racing. But not all is lost, because I still was able to find some A-arm protectors, guys. So front and the rears. So let's get into it. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we are going to be installing these A-arm protectors from T-bone Racing. Unfortunately, about a week ago, I think it's 2 weeks ago, T-bone Racing announced that they are going to close their doors after about 18 years of business, which is really an unfortunate event. But in any way, guys, I haven't had any experience with T-bone Racing before, and I just had to get these A-arm protectors because I've installed the new A-arms, guys. And for those of you who haven't seen part 1 and part 2 of this video series, remember to go back and watch it. It's linked in the description below. In part A, we did the A-arms with the RPM threaded hinges on the lower end or the tire end of the A-arms. So there you can see we've got some colorful A-arms, and we've got the RPM threaded hinge pins that you can't see because it's behind the tires. Then in video 2 we did the body. We put the body on, we put the stickers on, and we also installed the aluminium shock caps. So in video 3 today we are going to do the A-arm protectors. So without further ado, let's get into doing that, guys. So first things first, what I want to do is I'm going to take the brand new body off. Right guys, open it up, slide it back. There we go. That revealed the chassis for us. So I'm not too sure how difficult this is going to be. I'm hopeful that it's not going to be too difficult, but I think I'm going to start with the front A-arms. Just to make it a little bit easier for myself, I'm just going to remove the wheels just so that I can see what's going on there. The wheel is off. Okay guys, in typical T-bone fashion, there isn't any instructions that came with the packet of goodies. So I had to watch a couple of YouTube videos, and hopefully guys I can keep it together in this one and try to get it done without referring back. But if I refer back, guys, just excuse me for that. It is my first try on this. I've never done it before. Alright, so what I've seen is, so there is the actual A-arm protectors. And what I've seen from the videos is that the flat side goes towards the body. So I'm going to install the first right hand side one and see how that goes. So T-bone Racing has been so kind to glue the little pieces on so we don't have it falling through. Before I start that, I'm just going to quickly change the angle just so that you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. Right guys, so I'm just loosening the screws to be able to get the back plate off. Almost there. Alright, so now they are loose. And there's the glue that T-bone Racing has so kindly put up for us so it doesn't slip through. This is going to be coming on this side. So I've decided to take off all the wheels, just trying to figure out how this whole thing works. So yeah. Alright guys, to my disappointment, these A-arm protectors does not work with the heavy duty arms. I'm gonna show you guys why. So there's a clear difference between the size of the holes that you get with the heavy duty arms versus the normal arms that come with the truck. So unfortunately the holes does not align up with the A-arm protectors. So I really I am a little bit disappointed with that. So yeah, unfortunately I won't be able to fit them onto my colored A-arms here, which is unfortunate. There we go, no issues at all for the fitment. But unfortunately, it's not going to be so easy for these ones as the holes are not the same. Alright guys, so I've decided I'm going to modify these a little bit to make sure that they fit with the beefy A-arms. So yeah, it's going to take a while. I'm just going to speed up this process for you guys in a hyperlapse. Alright guys, so the plan is I'm going to remove the screws and I'm going to place this over the A-arms and try to make new holes with the drill. And then I'm going to put these back into new holes and see how it fits. So let's see how it goes, guys. I mean, it's going to be a loss. If I mess it up, I mess it up. If I don't, great. But yeah, that's just how it is. Alright guys, it just seems like it's going to be this one hole that I'm going to need to redo with the drill, which I'm going to do now. Alright, so what I'm going to try to achieve now is make these hopefully come off easily. I'm going to install it as it should go without installing the last one that is causing the obstruction, which is the last hole here. It does seem like there's going to be more than just a couple of screws that I'm going to need to do to change this out. I'm going to need to get a Dremel or something to make new, or to reshape it, because it's pressing against a shock here as well. So the entire design is different. It is something that is definitely fixable, but I'm going to have to make sure that I take those little pieces out to make sure that it fits easily without protruding against the lower part of the shock. Alright guys, so that was a flop for part 3, but yeah, what can we do? It was all going great with video number 3. For some reason the A-arm plate, this one here to the top, does not fit correctly under the shock. What I'm gonna have to do is to resolve this issue. It's not just to drill another hole, but also to take some of the plastic off, to shim it off. Now I'm probably gonna need to get a type of tool to do that neatly, which is I really want to do it neatly, guys. So yes, at this stage this video is a bomb. So if I've got any tips for you guys that is trying to buy up the final stock of the T-bone A-arm protectors, if you've got the stock A-arms, great, it's going to work awesome, it fits perfectly. If you've got the Traxxas heavy duty A-arms, it is not going to fit, and you're going to have to do some alterations to the actual A-arm protectors to make it fit. Now guys, in a future video I will show you guys how I will measure it up and fix it, just as soon as I get myself a Dremel type of tool. And as Jeremy Clarkson would say, on that disappointment, guys, I'm going to end it here. If you found this video helpful, guys, one idiot makes a mistake and now you guys can hopefully learn from it. Please subscribe to the channel, watch the other 2 previous videos, part 1 and part 2 of the XMaxx beef up videos that I'm doing in the series, and make sure that you are subscribed to be in the drawing to win this HPX 16 scale 168898 Pro monster truck. It's a brushless. As soon as I reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm giving this away. It's very easy. I'm gonna tell you guys exactly how you'll be in the drawing, and if you are the lucky person that wins it, I'll send it directly to the given address that you give me from AliExpress. It's that simple. When problems arise, try to think of ways to fix it. I unfortunately don't have the tools to fix it, guys, but soon I will, and I'll mount these bloody A-arms on this truck. I'm not gonna let that stop me. Thank you for being here. Remember to bash on. I'm John from TechSpace, guys, and we will see you in part 4, which hopefully will be going better than part 3. It's also T-Bone Racing products. Cheers, guys.